Hello and welcome. Today I want to do a review of the LevelMate Pro. And if you're watching this video, you probably already know what the LevelMate Pro is. But if you don't, what it is, it's just this little black box that you mount somewhere in your trailer. Mine's mounted in this cabinet right here behind me. And what it does is it's a digital level, and it's able to talk to an app on your phone. And then you're able to look at your phone and you're able to see if your trailer is level both side to side and front to back. Now, spoiler alert, I absolutely love this product. It's one of those products that makes your life better. You can set up your trailer in no time, especially if you combine it with a set of these. Now, these are real common. You've probably seen these. This is a leveling wedge. And what you do is you just pull your trailer up onto it, and as it rolls, it lifts one side of your trailer. So, if you use that with the LevelMate Pro, it's a game changer. You can set up your trailer first try, every time, immediately. It is next level. And I've had people come up to me and remark at how fast I'm able to set up my trailer. And my response is always, it's not me, I just have the right tools. And these are the right tools. You need to get yourself a LevelMate Pro, and you need to get yourself a set of leveling wedges. So this is how you use them when you pull into your campsite. As you pull in, you always want to have your LevelMate app open, because you want to be able to look at it. And it's got a green light that will come on when you're level side to side. So as you pull into your site, you want to look at it, and a lot of times it'll turn green. You'll hit a spot that's already level side to side, and you can just stop there, and you're done. How easy is that? But if that doesn't happen, it'll tell you something like your driver's side is 2 inches too low. So what you do is you put in park, get out, you take your wedge, you stick it under your driver's side tires, you get back in your vehicle, you pull forward onto the wedge, you're watching your app while you're doing that, and as soon as the light turns green, you stop, you put it in park, you set your e-brake, you get out, you take the second wedge, you slide it under here, that keeps your trailer from moving, and you're done. You've leveled it side to side. You only had to get out of your car once to do that. You didn't have to run in and out of your trailer and check levels all the time. It's fantastic. So then you unhook your trailer from your vehicle, and you make sure you got your phone on you, because you're going to look at it again, and it's got another light for if your trailer's level front to back, and then you can just adjust your jack up or down, whatever it tells you you need, and you stop when the light turns green. Done. Couldn't be easier. I absolutely love this product. It just makes setting up so much faster. Not only faster, but I can do it by myself now. My wife and kids can go play somewhere, and I can have it done in 2 minutes less. It's so fast. So there's one thing that you should know about these, and that's that they come in 2 different sizes. If you're going to buy a set of these and your tires are very close together, which is the case for my trailer, these are the short ones. And I had to get the short ones because the long ones will bind up in between my wheels. So I'm going to link both of these below. These are Camco's. These are the short ones. The longer ones are by Anderson. They're red. If your tires aren't close together and it's not an issue for you, I'd recommend going with the red ones. Having these longer means you can make more gradual adjustments. In this case, I move my trailer a little bit and it goes up quite a bit. So if having close tires isn't an issue for you, get the long ones. Otherwise, these ones. So if that helped you out, or if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. That would help me out. Thank you very much.